Hey guys, you can see this is iPhone 15 Pro Max, 512 gigabyte. You can see this is black 79 and white is 61, and this original titanium 72, and this blue 64. You can see different color. Also here is 512 and natural at 98 and white 163. You can see a lot of different package. Okay, this is only for wholesale. You can see, wow, it's a beautiful condition. The condition very good. You can see, if you do the iPhone business, you can contact me. Only for wholesale. uh, Remember the 261. So if you want to buy, you need to buy the whole package. Okay, one carton you need to buy the MOQ, one carton. Okay, this one, this is iPhone 15 Pro. This is also the iPhone 15 Pro 256. This is B plus, means this is the condition is B plus. Okay, let me show you the. Okay, this condition, no problem. If you want to wholesale, you can contact me. You can add my WhatsApp. I will send you the catalog. Okay. Let me show you the other colors. Okay, this one white and natural. Let me show you this one. Oh, this is the case print. You can see the case print, the speaker. Okay. Okay, but the button no scratch. The screen is okay. If you want to wholesale, you can contact me. Okay. Okay, you can see this is iPhone 15 Pro Max 512 gigabyte and the unlocked one. If you want to wholesale, you can contact me. I'm in Hong Kong now. This is also iPhone 15 Pro 256. Okay. This is iPhone Pro 256. Okay. This is 1 terabyte. You can see. Let me show you the 1 terabyte. This condition is B plus. B plus. Okay. This is the iPhone Pro Max 1 terabyte black. Okay. Titanium black. Okay. If you do this business, you can contact me. Okay. Only for wholesale. Okay. See you in the next video.